Hi, Steve. We did it. We're here. We made it. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. As I walk down this aisle today, my heart is filled with love, gratitude, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait. Just breathe. We got this, and I love you.
I think my favorite memory is gonna be night one. I had a brand new Jeep. She popped the top on it. I didn't even know how to pop the top on it. She took the roof right off my Jeep and said, "Let's go for a drive, get me ice cream." I'll never forget that for as long as I live.
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide.
So one thing I love about Tawani is her zest for life.
She's always there for you, and she's a lot of fun.
Just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough.
The thing I love about both Steve and Dwani is how the glow off of each other and how happy and resilient they are together.
To keep me from getting to you, baby. Oh, no, darling. No wind, no rain, or winter's cold can stop me, baby. No, no, baby. 'Cause you are my If you're ever in trouble, I'll be there on the double. Just send for me, oh, baby.
The one thing I love about Steve for sure has to be his sense of humor. It's always a great time with Steve, and he's always making us laugh and have a good time.
One thing I love about Dwani is she's always there for you.
In the beginning, she is like whatever she wants to do, she is doing. She is completely different than her bailo. Yeah, very different.
Ain't no river wide enough.
Damn it.
That one thing that I love about Dwani the most, I can't see that on camera, but the one thing I love the most about my wife Dwani is absolutely her glow, her smile, and those eyes. I know I've said the eyes already, but they're captivating. They're the biggest, brownest, beautiful eyes that I've ever seen, and I stare at them so much and she catches me.
You look unbelievable, baby. You look so beautiful.
One, two, three.
So the one piece of advice that I would give the couple is to always live in the moment, to always be present, and just enjoy each and every moment that you guys have together.
Never stop being silly. I see the silliness come out in both of you, and I think it really sparks and ignites the love that you have for each other. So keep it up, because I know that's what makes you both you.
Oh, they cheated. They beat the team.
I can't say you story. You gotta pay up my brother. You gotta pay up my brother.
Where's my help?
We don't let you lose the last round.
Stephen, from the very beginning, you were very different. You took a broken girl and showed me a love I never thought I deserved. You loved the pieces of me that were hard to love and gently helped me rewrite my story into one filled with joy and happiness and hope. Now, 5 years later, here we are, as husband and wife, ready to start this new chapter of our lives. I'll never forget the night I took apart your Jeep. Your patience, your kindness, and warmth were so clear in that moment, and I knew that your heart was as big as anyone could have ever hoped for. As we have shared so many quiet, stolen moments together from our friends as they know, I've come to realize just how much you are my guiding light, my strength, and my greatest blessing.
I might throw up.
I vow to grow old with you in every way and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you and for our family. This love we share is timeless. Stephen, I promise to love you now, tomorrow, and always, to grow with you and to make every moment count. This is my forever with you, and I love you.
Yeah!